Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change shipping price for a specific product on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner and you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, I want you to select Shipping and Delivery. Once you have selected Shipping and Delivery from the left-hand menu option, from here you can see General, and this will consist of all the products that are currently on your store. If I were to select that, you can see the local shipping rates right there, and you can also see the international shipping rate. And from here, if you would like to edit any one of the rates, you can do that. For example, at the moment locally it is set at free. If I wanted to change that, I could tap on the three dots in line with standard, then tap on edit rate, and from there you could enter in a price that you would like to charge for local shipping. And if it is a case that you would like to change the price for international shipping, I could do that by tapping on the three dots, then tap on edit rate, and I could edit the price right there. But to set a shipping price for a specific product, all you'll need to do is go back. Then from here you're going to tap on new profile. After selecting new profile, from here you can give the profile a name. So for example, I'll just call it test. Then you're going to add the product. So you're going to tap on add products, and I'm just going to be adding this product. Then we'll tap on done. Now after doing that, you can scroll down. If it is a case that you would like to set a specific price for shop location, you can do that, but we're going to tap on create zone right here. And you can give the zone a name, and customers won't see this name. So for example, I'll call it test zone. After you have done that, you can search for the countries or regions that you would like to offer the rate for. So if you would like to offer free shipping for a particular region, so let's say for example, I would like to offer free shipping for customers that are shopping from United States, I could simply type in United, then select United States, then tap on done. After I've done that, I'm going to tap on add rate. Once you have tapped on add rate, for example, I could select use flat rate. Then after doing that, I will just leave the price as 0, and you'll see that would mean it would be free. So I'm going to tap on done right there. Let me give the custom rate a name. So for example, I'm just going to call it free, and then I'll tap on done right there. So now if someone were to come onto my store and make a purchase of this specific product from the United States, they'll be able to get it for free. And then I could also add other zones by tapping on create zone. After doing that, I could create another zone. So for example, I could call it test zone 1. Then after doing that, you can search for the countries that you would like to add into this region. So for example, let's say for example, persons in the Caribbean. So I could type in Caribbean, no, that would work. So for example, I could select Jamaica, and I could select other Caribbean countries. After doing that, you can simply select for example, Africa also, Asia, and so on. Then I'll tap on done. After doing that, I can now add the rate. So all I would need to do is simply tap on add rate. Then from here you can choose whether you like to use a flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. Then after doing that, you could give the rate a name. So for example, I can call it test zone. So I'll call it test zone 1. Then after you have done that, you can set the price that you would like to offer it for, or you can tap on add conditional pricing. And from here, you can set pricing based on the item weight or the item or based on the order price. So again, you can also offer free shipping based on a particular price or price of the product or so on, or their purchase or the product weight. So you can set that up right here. So for example, let's say $10. So let me do that real quick. And then you can see the test zone price there. And I'll tap on done. Then you'll tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.